When you're an empty nester and your kids are tired of eating fast food and ramen noodles, one of the best messages you can receive is, "Mom, I'm on my way home." Trust me, when I cook for my kids, I know what they want. My son can eat, so I am busting out the big caldero to make this rice with lots of meat, beans, sofrito, and flavorful seasonings. For the meat, I'm going to wash and dry the ribs with a paper towel. I'm adding all of the seasonings to this rub, including brown sugar, mixing it well with some oil and spreading it all over the ribs. Jason loves to pull the meat off the bone, so these are my 220 ribs. 2 hours in the oven at 350, remove to spread some barbecue sauce and place back in the oven uncovered for 20 minutes at 250. Cut the ribs into sections, mix the rice one last time, and dinner is ready. There is no such thing as plating your dish. I just let him have the whole thing. Serve the rice and then the meat. Look at him. You know he's in heaven, even if he's licking his fingers. He's so cute. But that little spoon was really bothering me. That's better. There's just no place like home. Until next time, friends.